Hayi ke kuyajatshulwa ke manje uJackson uthi you know what, we are going to be stepping on each and every person that is our enemy and sobanyathela njengamaphela, including Mr. Mkhwanazi. Now Mr. Mkhwanazi was involved in a car accident and he thought that he hit something, but that something is untraceable. The car ayilimalanga na yena ulimele, but they cannot trace anything that leads to a man. He even went as far as going to the police station and asked, is there anybody who came and reported a hit and run, because he wanted to make sure that what he wanted to make sure that there's nobody, only men, due to the incident. And then he found that no, there was no police case opened. Now umkosikazi wakhe says no, the thing is whatever that is happening is not really physical but spiritual. Khona imimoya athi yena akabhiliveli kule nto le. So while uThandiswa took it upon herself ukuthi ahambe ayobona uMakhosi, fika laphaya uyabuza, and then uMakhosi loyo wamtshela ukuthi no, there's a lot of things that are happening here, and futhi nakhona lento leyo inamandla kakhulu ngoba iqale nguStan. uStan was there and then besabona izinto ezingabonwa abantu, so lento le inamandla amakhulu, kunokhona ubumnyama obukhulu. And then uThandiswa was asking herself what is going on, because now ihotel seligcinile sezandleni zakabani, zakaMatama. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani, Dimadekwana, njani hipukile hingongwena. So namuhla kana ngokwahina wa Smoke and Mirrors hikuma kurishla senseke kahle, looking at the fact that Petunia just got back to from the hospital, and then she realized ukuthi uyatrend kuthiwa utya iziyobisi ke sana. And then she was not happy about that. She decided to go live. In fact, she wanted to respond to some of the comments, but then the husband did not allow her. Then she decided, okay, fine, better you go live so that you can explain yourself. She did express herself, but did the people understand? Well, it looks like majority did understand where she was coming from, and hopefully this is going to stop. But then it brings out a bad name, Mr. Mayor, because they are saying that umeya ushate nomuntu otya iziyobisi, which is a very bad name, if we could put it at that. But maybe by the look of things, because abangani bakhe bebamzwela ukuthi hawu nkosi yami, this is happening. But then on the other hand, uTim noTiny, the things are not going well. The things that are making the pots to happen are no longer happening again. And uTiny is like, she's determined to make, it's either she's determined to make uTim jealous, or she still wants uTim, because she keeps saying mina angisumuntu wakho, phuma duze nami, hihini. The next thing, she started dancing namanye amadoda phambi kwaTim, and uTim could not handle that, to a point that emsebenzini base bayasho ukuthi hawu wena sewudla nathi manje, because by the time you had a girlfriend you didn't know who we were. Now you know who we are. Now you want to sit and eat with us. Woo, shame bus. We're not doing that. We are so not about that life, so we are not interested in that. Well, on the other hand, again, Umatha is very happy with what Petunia is going through. Ungathi Petunia na is part of izitha zakhe, because usisi wake uzowabuza ukuthi wajabula kangaka, are you the one that orchestrated this whole thing? And she's like, no. But then remember, nami bengihlala emkhukhwini. While I was there emkhukhwini ngibhizi ngidla inkomo idla ibhansi, bekhona umuntu ongikhalelayo ongikhalisayo lutho. I was there by myself and I figured it out myself, and here I am. So can I not be part of the people abakhala bakhalisa abantu mina nje? She must just wear her big panties and move on. Usisters akenalo uzwelo at all, akanalo uzwelo. Utim decided that he was going to drunk himself home to sleep, because Tiny is not interested in the relationship that they want to have. So now kushukuthi kena uzomeka sure ukuthi uyadakwa-ke, because uTiny ukubeke kwacaca ca, okay, kwacaca ba, ukuthi yena akasekho interested, and uTim akahambe aye kumfazi wakhe lo omchithelayo. She said that during in front of phambi kwabantu. It doesn't get any better than that. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe. Remember to give this video a very big thumbs up.